1979, where under the leadership of Dr. Lambert, Anthony Lambert, and he then became the president of the PAC. I'm not willing to go into the story of the PAC from the ANC. He became the president of the PAC, and yeah, in that, he was a very humble man, such that everyone knew him as someone who would just go to anyone who's passing by the street and just help out. And apparently, in the island, he refused when he was arrested. There were a lot of things that happened in his arrest, such that he got a special arrest where they were talking about the Sobukhwe clause. Like, he was arrested without any case proven against him, like where he was not charged of any case, such that in each and every year they will renew the number of years in which he will be arrested, because of he was the most feared prisoner of all prisoners in South Africa. And yeah, he refused, like one of the most profound things about him, he refused bribings from the oppression system. And the statement that he said concerning that, he said that his freedom will be defined by the freedom of his people. Yeah, I mean, like, I think that is where we should, or maybe the church should define their freedom. Our freedom should be defined by the freedom of humanity. I think that's the symbol of Christ himself. The cross is the symbol of, it is a message that says to us that humanity is free. When we look at the cross, we should see humanity, not to see a single person hanging on the cross. Hence, Paul will say that I have been crucified with Christ, because of the humanity was on the cross. God was not just crucifying a single person on the cross, but then it was the whole world.
Come on,
I think now that is where Sobukhwe, by the way, he was a Christian. He was a Christian, such that I think he took Christ in person. He embodied the person of Christ in him. That was his enablement to say that his freedom will be the freedom of his nation.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.